Hey everybody, it is Matt Blake here at Zilla Wraps, back for another Friday wrap up because we have some very cool stuff happening in the shop today and I want to show you, so let's take a look. We have this truck wrap going down for Everhold Welding, and I gotta tell you, this is the best looking wrap I've seen in a long time. The graphics on this thing are ridiculous. Shout out to our designer Ryan who put this together, and I gotta tell you, I've never seen a welding truck look like this. So definitely give these guys a shout if you need some work, because you can tell they're down to do some creative, awesome stuff. We basically took their logo and blew it up on the side, almost literally, with some sparks and some welding background. And the graphics look amazing on this. The resolution is crazy on all this stuff in the background. So very, very, very cool for an industry that you wouldn't think of having crazy bright colors and creative stuff on. But there you go, a welding truck. We also have a truck going down back here for Epic Industries, a more simple wrap, which is not on this side. It's just print plotted logos on the side, which he's doing right now, and they're gonna look great. So you can do simple like this on your vehicle. Do a simple logo, or you can completely blow it out. And then we have an Audi back here that we're doing a black roof on. Removing an old black roof and putting a new black roof on. So it's gonna look dope when it's all done. But yeah, this Everhold welding truck is the crown jewel of today. So check it out. If you wanna really see something awesome with your company, let one of our designers throw something amazing together for you. I've been excited about this one coming in for a long time. So have a great Friday, everybody. Let us know what we can wrap up for you, and have a great weekend. Thanks.